Now come to exercise 8.1. Say question number 1. Find the ratio of A part rupees 5 to 50 paise. Rupees 5 to 50 paise. Here units of both the terms are not same. Here convert rupees into paise. We know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore 5 rupees equal to 5 into 100 paise. That is 500 paise. So rupees 5 ratio 50 paise can be written as 500 ratio 50, and in fraction you can write it as 500 upon 50. Simplify it. 0 से 0 cancel. 5 1 0, 5 10 0. We will get 10 upon 1, that is 10 ratio 1. This is your answer. Now come to B part. It is 15 kg to 210 gram. Here again both the units are not same. To convert kg into gram, so we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 15 kg equal to 15 into 1000 gram, or it is 15,000 gram. So 15 kg ratio 210 gram can be written as 15 kg can be written as 15,000 gram. 15,000 ratio 210. Write in fraction form. This can be written as 15,000 upon 210. Now simplify it. We can cancel 0 by 0. Then by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 2 zeros. Again by 3. 3 7s are. This can be written as 500 upon 7, that is In ratio form, we can write it as 500:7. This is your answer. Now come to C part. It is 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Again here, units are not same. Convert meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 9 meter equal to 9 into 100 centimeter. That is 900 centimeter. So 9 meter ratio 27 meter. This can be written as 9 meter can be written as 900 centimeter ratio 27. Write in fraction form. It is 900 upon 27. Here simplify it. You can cancel the both the terms by 9. The 9, if you cancel it, you will get 900, 100 and 27. 9 3 are 27. This can be written as 100 upon 3, and in ratio form, this can be written as 100 ratio 3. This is your answer. Now come to D part. It is 30 days to 36 hours. Here again units are not same. One is days, second in hours. To convert days into hours. Here we know that one day it is equivalent to 24 hours. Therefore, 30 days equal to 30 into 24 hours. Multiply it, you will get 720 hours. So 30 days ratio 36 hours. This can be written as 720 hours ratio 36 hours. Write in fraction form. 720 upon 36. Now simplify it. Here we know that 36 2 just 72. We can cancel it by 36. 36 1 ja, and 36 2 ja 72 and 0. We will get 20 upon 1, and in ratio form this can be written as 20 ratio 1. This is your answer. Now come to question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Here say the solution. Here for 6 students, computer needed. It is 3. So for 1 student, computer needed. Equal to 3 upon 6. For 24 students, computer needed. It is equivalent to 3 upon 6 into 24. Simplify it. 6 4 ja 24. Here multiply 3 into 4. You will get 12 computers. This is your answer. Now come to question number 3. Population of Rajasthan. It is 570 lakhs, and population of UP. It is 1660 lakhs. Here area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square, and area of UP, it is 2 lakh kilometer square. Now first question is, how many peoples are there per kilometer square in both these states? Say first part. Solution of first part. Here population of Rajasthan. Population of Rajasthan, it is 570 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan, it is 3 lakh kilometer square. Therefore, number of peoples per kilometer square, it is 570 lakh upon 3 lakh. Here simplify it. We can cancel this lakh again by 3. 3 1 ja, and here cancel it 3 1 ja, 3 9 is 27, 0. That is 190 peoples. Now population of UP. It is 1660 lakhs. And area of UP. It is 2 lakhs kilometers square. Therefore, number of people per kilometer square it is equivalent to 1660 lakhs upon 2 lakhs. You simplify it, you can cancel lakh by lakh, again by 2, 2 1 ja, by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6 and 0. That is 830 people. Now come to the second part. Which state is less populated? Here, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is less populated. That's all for today.